Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. This video usually lasts 4 or 5 minutes compared to the 15 to 20 minute video that's done a lot more detail, a lot more charts for our members. But we can still go over here and take a good look at what we think is the condition of the market for Monday, November the 16th, today. We had mentioned that around the 96 area was good resistance slash support, which is right in here. Market opened above it and then had a good move higher. By the way, these are market profiles. This is today's lettered market profile and volume profile, and this was Friday's. The one in between the two right here is what occurred overnight in the Globex session. So we like to use these as a good tool to get a good handle on the intraday or day-to-day auction, and we still see obviously the market moving higher, and we're looking now probably in around the 1103 as support. These profiles are the day session only. In other words, they do not include the overnight session. So this was today, this was Friday, and so on. So a good move higher, although probably a bit of a pullback here. We really need to monitor if it's going to hold above or below the 1103 area, and if it doesn't, then it's likely to come back down and then test around the 96 area. Here's our software, the way that we look at the market on a of course, we look at all of this during the day in preparation and so forth, but as far as our actual trades to set up and trigger our actual trades, we attempted to get long here. Unfortunately, we were not able to get long there. We did get long a little later up in here. Turned out to be a break-even trade, but we did get long on a nice trade right here when the market pulled back all the way. It ran that all the way up to here for 4.5 point gain on the final partial position on that trade. Something that obviously doesn't happen. Sorry, it was 4.25 point gain on that final partial there. So that was a really nice trade. Good to see it pull back like that during the Bernanke Bernanke statement and lecture today, and then it continued higher. We did have another couple of trades. We had a long trade in here that turned out to be break even. Then we had another long trade here, a little bit more aggressive, ended up with a 2-tick loss on that trade. So still a nicely profitable day. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at eMiniDayTrader.com, or our phone number and emails and videos are on there that you're welcome to check out, see what you think. So we had 4 trades today. One of them we lost 2 ticks, 2 were break even, and 1 had a very nice profit on it. So nicely profitable for the day. We do think it's going to continue higher, although we really are monitoring that 3 level to see if it can hold, if not possibly down to the 96 area. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, the 16th of November. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.